Hi friends, today we'll discuss about OData integration with MuleSoft. What is OData? OData is open data protocol and it's work on top of HTTP. As we know, HTTP protocol using RESTful services will use HTTP protocol. So like that only it will works. And for interoperability between different system will use this OData. And why we use OData? See, for exchange the data like between the relational databases, file systems, content management systems, and traditional websites will use this OData. See, it's built on HTTP and JSON using URIs to address and access data. Okay, see, let's see, this is the OData file look like. This is nothing but a .raml file. The structure of the data and the definition of the fields, everything is look like this. Okay, let me get into the AnyPoint Studio. So we'll install the OData plugin. See, from the help, go to install new software, and here what we have to do is see, let me see, this is the URL, we have to paste it. And see, actually I have added this AnyPoint OData plugin into my AnyPoint Studio. And now what we have to do is see, from the panel, see, I have the OData. See, what we have to do is just we have to remember, like, first we need to install the OData plugin, and then with the OData.raml file we have to generate the, like, how we generate API kit router using a raml file. Like that only we have to generate the OData API kit OData. So let me see, I have this file. Let me create a project, new project. See here we can import from OS and RAM. See, let me finish it here. So see, in the resources API, let me copy this file. This file is available. See, in the downloads it is available. Let me copy and paste it into resources. Okay, now it is available. See, let me go to the site. Okay, now we have now we install. This is all about the installing the OData plugin into AnyPoint Studio. Then we need to have the example OData file. See, from this link we can get the OData file. Then what we have to do is see, this is the OData.raml. Then we place this file and generate flows from this OData file. That is the create a new project in MuleSoft, and from the project specify API definition, file location, and click finish. Generate OData this option we have to select. You will see generate OData, it is enabled. See, I have installed this plugin into my Anypoint Studio, so that's why it has been showing here. If it's not showing properly, that means there is a problem with plugin installation into our Anypoint Studio. So let me click on this, and it will generate the flows for us. See, it is processing. So it takes some time. So okay, meanwhile we'll go to this documentation. See, once we generate the flows, the OData action generates API.raml and OData library.raml in the libraries folder. See, this is the API libraries. OData API.raml and OData library.raml files were generated and displays on the canvas when you select API.xml. See, if you select on API.xml, see, we can see the raml definition. We can be able to see. I think these are the resources, customers and orders. This is our file. Using this file, we have created API.raml and OData library.raml. Detailed are available here. Thank you guys. So